What's up, guys? Back to another episode. I'm over here at the kit. It's kind of cold in here today, but this is what I got to work with. So we're just going to do this episode on this Stagg DH China over here. Since I've had it for about a year now, and it's probably one of my favorite Chinas to use for metal, just because it's not super expensive and it's still durable and it sounds really nice. So I'm just going to do some sound tests for you guys and give you kind of like a sound of what it sounds like with music and just with normal playing after I warm up here. But the last episode was this, probably can't see it over here, but this Meinl Classics Custom Trash Splash 12-inch, which I just got. Trying to upgrade everything to Meinl except for the Chinas because I really like Stagg Chinas. So I am going to be getting another China for this left side. Probably the R.E.S.P.E.C.T China with the holes in it, because it's a little bit more trashy and just a little bit different sound than a normal China. This is the DH 19-inch Stagg China, which I said is like one of my favorite Chinas, so I just wanted to do this little episode on this. So yeah, let me get warmed up here, and then we'll do a little bit of sound test of what the China sounds like with music and without, and see if you would be interested in purchasing one of these for your own kit, compared to, you know, the rest of the Chinas that are out there. So let me warm up real quick, and then we'll come back with some sound tests, and you guys can see how she sounds with the kit. And definitely stoked that I have this China. Definitely one of my favorite Chinas out of, like, you know, pretty much all the Chinas that are out there, even over a lot of the Meinl Chinas. So let's get into it.
Basic piece of bleaching and deadman's diary. Deadman's diary. On bleaching and deadman's diary. Oh, continue to laugh at me until you take my motherfucking
Alright, so just a quick little test. Definitely sounds really nice. Has a nice bite to it. It's not overly trashy, and it decays pretty quick, so it sounds really nice. But that's pretty much the end of this video. I just want to do a little sound test and a little review of this cymbal. Since I do want to get another one, maybe like an 18 to go. It's either going to be an 18 on this side or it's going to be the R.E.S.P.E.C.T China. Not really sure yet, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching for this quick little video. Be sure to watch the one for the trash splash that I just did, and I've also done one for these this new Meinl Classics ride, as well as the, I think it's a 7-inch bell, but they're all in a playlist together. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure to check out the channel for some more covers, or I do have some covers. I'll leave like a playlist at the end of playlists that I've done with friends and myself. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm gonna be working on probably 4 or 5 more covers within like the next month or two. So I want to get all these knocked out and put some more content on the channel for drumming wise. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace.